Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to delete Discord account. Well, to do that, open your Discord in your web browser. So go to discord.com. Then you can see now your Discord, so open it to your browser and step 2, log in to your account. Now, step 3. Click on the settings icon, which is a gear shape icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. And in My Account settings, scroll down until you see Account Removal. So delete the account by clicking on the Delete Account button. After you click the Delete button, Discord will provide you with information about the account deletion process and its consequences. Read through this information carefully to understand what will happen when you delete your account. If you wish to proceed with deleting your account, you will be asked to enter your account password for verification. Enter your password in the provided field. Then after entering your password, you will see a confirmation screen. Discord will inform you that account deletion is permanent and irreversible. If you're certain about deleting your account, click on the Delete Account button to proceed. Discord will display a final confirmation message indicating that your account has been scheduled for deletion. It will also mention that your account will be deactivated for a period of 14 days before it is permanently deleted. At this point, the deletion process is initiated and your account will be scheduled for deletion. So that's how to delete Discord account. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching!